Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me today. I want to show you the leaf that you can use to cure ulcer. The leaf that you can use to cure ulcer. This leaf, we call it ewe okan, ewe okan, ewe okan. This is ewe okan. If you have ulcer, stomach ulcer, or any type of ulcer that is disturbing your life, so get enough of this leaf, ewe okan, and you cook it with a negro pepper with ordinary water. Cook it. So when it is well boiled, remove this leaf and put the water in a plastic rubber. Drink half cup in the morning and half cup in the night.